Happy Sunday, precious people. Now, good evening, my lovely, wonderful Africa people. Now, me again, una pikin, una daughter, divine faith talkative. I don't come back again. Oh, it's too much now. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. Now, no me, stammerer, the stammerer. I no go school. I no fit dey spark, dey spoil the English. I know the English now. I cannot spark am. I no sabi dey read, I no sabi dey write. Talkative. She dey talk oh. This evening, I don still come back again. I wan still come talk. The conclusion of toxic behavior, part 3B. I love Africa. Today, I wan talk to my brother, my sister, my youth. Na dem na I wan come talk. Na dem I wan come talk to today. Because we still have toxic children. I don't talk about toxic parents. Today, I want to talk to toxic children. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. But before I continue this evening, I want me we still remember the meaning of toxic behavior. God bless you all in Jesus' name. People when go school, when they call it meditate, when they call it read and write very, very welly, they say toxic people, they create drama in their life or be surrounded by it. Try to manipulate or control others. It is about them all the time because they are very selfish. They not get love for their hearts. Most of them are wicked. They use others to meet their needs. Now waiting, they talk it down. Let me talk am. I don't fair explain now in our local language the way my people go to understand them for the conclusion of part 3A. If you never watch the video, try and watch the video. Today before I continue, I hear one grammar. Bully. Bully or bullying. I can't say make I come break down that grammar. Not say me I don't go school. They blow the vocabulary. People when they break the grammar. And me, I can't dey use hammer. Say they hammer all those grammar head. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. What is the meaning of bully? According to them, they say it's a person who use strength or influence to harm or intimidate those who are weaker. Another one say is a person who use superior strength or influence to intimidate someone, typically to force them to do something they don't want to do. That word bully stand for oppressor, tormentor, and many more. I constant look and say, okay, I want to explain it to my people. Now I just pick one topic, and that thing they pay me well. English. People say they go school, they love to intimidate people like us because we are very local. School will not go on. Because people like us say e no go the school. The kind of school when they go, no say school get school. People when they say they go to the school of English. I say some people dey. Na out of all those years in school, na only grammar na dey come back as. Both the one where London and England, Dublin, America, Canada, no way. The one we say they never approve. These people then they speak am. God bless them in Jesus' name. So they intimidate local people. They don't sabi speak English because they call us local. So if you dey Africa, you know they blow the grammar, no they speak the English. People are very local. So person like me now, I'm a local girl. God bless you all in Jesus' name. I dey beg una, my people. Love is the key. Love is the answer. Love no dey intimidate. Love dey correct. If you go school, you know how to read and write. You can speak very well. Congratulations. God bless you. But please listen to local people. Trust me, those people, they have the experience. knowledge, wisdom. They get something good say they want offer our nation, our country. They get something good say they want offer Africa. If you be wise person, you go to school. Nothing stop you for you to take barrow and paper, book. If dem dey talk, dey write for ground. Make una no dey look down on them. Make una no dey intimidate them. It's not fair. No be our fault say we born make we dey speak Edo language na, or Yoruba language, or Igbo, Hausa, Calabar, Ijaw. No be our fault na. God wey say He create us, He made us, He give us our own language. We don't have to speak another man language very well before we go fit succeed for this life na. You when you go to school, you are there to support. You are there to help us. I'm begging Africa, please support your people, encourage them, listen to them. They have something good to offer. And you will say people they intimidate. I know it's very painful. Some people shame they give you say church testimony, shame they give them. Because they feel say, yeah, if I speak English now, people they will laugh me, they will mock me. Yes, it happen. Me, I dey invite you. If I be stammerer, I carry my phone. I know how to talk. As I be talk, I come the record. You may say you no be stammerer. God bless you. You know how to talk very well. No wait till you sabi speak English before you come help our country. No wait before you come perfect that grammar, that vocabulary before you come help our nation. We need you, your advice, your contribution, your opinion. Any language when we say you know how to speak them out. English speaking is education. Na language, another country language. Here where we dey speak Spanish. I'm begging you all. Never allow these people to dey intimidate you because they are very toxic. The people will say they dey very selfish. Yeah, they dey very selfish. It's because it is about them all the time. They don't know how to listen to people. Escucha. They don't know how to listen to people. But if you say poor or rich, if you get the opportunity to listen to them and make use of their advice. People wey go school, we dey beg una. And you may say you no go school. Me, I dey invite you. We need you for our society. Abeg come offer us wetin you get. We need to drop this toxic behavior, this toxic garment. I can speak very well. I can defend myself. I know how to read and write. Yes, I study in enemy. I study in that place. I study in that. I study in this. Everything is grammar. Some people, their brain they very empty. What they get now that's English. And you be say you know because I speak English. You get better thing for your brain. I bet we dey invite you come any language you speak, come speak am. We go understand you. God bless you all in Jesus' name. And if you dey around this kind of people, dear friend, brother and sister, you no need them for your life because they don't get anything we say they want offer you. Number one, you go dey feel ashamed of yourself. Number two, you go dey fear no go let you talk wetin dey your mind. So I dey beg Africa today, if you know how to speak English, listen to the local people. And you be say you don't sabi dey speak the English. You the language be say you fit dey speak to express yourself. We need you. God bless you all in Jesus' name. And any character, behavior that causes you emotional damage, that make you to feel ashamed of yourself in public, in wherever you are, is toxic. Any negative behavior, character that causes you emotional damage or contaminate the way you feel about yourself, especially when you are in public. Many people, they are mocking other people because you don't know speak English. It's toxic. So that kind of people, stay away from them. They are not ready to give you good advice. They are not ready to help. God bless you in Jesus' name. And now advice to know, to those that know how to speak the English very, very well. I bet if you see una mates, una dey the same category, the same level. Make una continue with una grammar. But if una see people like us, we local people, not say we local. We say we no fit dey speak that grammar. Abeg, make una still try to come down to our level. Make una use our language, èdè wa, our language. Make una use am talk to us. We go understand una better. Because most people, una dey edify una sef, una no dey edify people. God bless you now in Jesus' name. I love Africa. Now make I go for the youth. Na the now your comfort. We are talking about bad government. God bless you all. Today, me and my youth, we want Jogodo together. I love Jogodo, that music. Bros Nicky, you too much. Professor Nicky, I dey hear you. He say me come Jogodo. My bros, mo come. My lovely Africa youth, my friend, my sister, I wan correct some people before I continue. If you dey call youth and you never reach 40 years because say you don marry, don get children, because say no, I no be youth, you deceive yourself. If you never reach 40 years, you still be youth. If you like born 10 children. Today, I wan talk to everybody who say e never reach 40 years, you are still youth. Listen to me and God bless you all in Jesus' name. Africa. One thing about Africa, I love their way because we love to dey blame our parents. We go blame our government. Everything will happen to us. Devil number one. Ìyá àti bàbá wa number two, our parents. Àwọn méjì mà. Number three, our government. They are the one that is bad. We are innocent. We are very good and kind. We not bad. Father Nikki, God will bless you, sir. He say, bring the Rizla and the ganja because I wan feel airy. Now, wetin most youths una dey do na be this one. Most people today, they no go school. No be say no be say they no get the opportunity to go school. To why did they not go? Because of ìwà ìbàjẹ́, bad character. And no be tell you say if you smoke you go hellfire, na lie. E no dey Bible. Or if you drink you go, you are na hellfire you go. Me I no come deceive anybody. E no dey inside Bible. But if they want you say my son, my daughter, no smoke, no drink, na for your own good. Because me I never see any man wey be say e dey smoke, dey drink to excess. When we say e get good brain. I no be say I dey encourage cigar or igbo or alcohol. I no come encourage am. But I just have to say the truth. E don dey exist among us, but too much of a thing is bad. Una dey abuse everything una dey do. Africa, una no dey abuse everything. You smoke cigar, you smoke am excess. You take igbo, you take am excess. You smoke drink na Morocco, everything na excess na una dey do am. Then if una finish for devil, una no come blame devil. I go blame una parents. Or una carry go say, we get bad leaders. And Nigeria is very corrupt, we have bad government. When we say you decide to dey corrupt your brain in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, they use igbo, Morocco, and alcohol till they corrupt your own brain. You know the reason where, and the reason fine. You say if you dey smoke am, make you dey look your back and front, because if they come at any time, they wan copy, carry go kirikiri. Police people wey say when they call the meet una, they call the arrest una, they carry una go prison. If you say they do bad thing, no, it's for your own good. If they leave you go dey do am. Na your life na you dey destroy, no be government life. If they leave you dey do am, no be your papa and your mama life, no be you dey destroy. According to the other bros when he see safe for inside, he say one thing be say him parent hate am dey do na if they see am say he dey smoke igbo. Igbo no go take you to hellfire o. Alcohol no go take you to hellfire. But wetin go take you to hellfire na wetin you take your hand take dey do. Wetin your brain dey think after you don smoke that igbo finish or drink that alcohol finish, na that one take you to hellfire. So most of the time, the government of Nigeria, because now all of us na be the government. Now I'm talking about the leaders of Nigeria. They are not the cause of 100% of our problem. Yes, they are the part. They be part of the problem, but they are not the cause of 100%. The one we say we take our hand cause are for what far ni majo obimasi or wale bungu way. You smoke igbo, you drink alcohol. From there, una go see human being, una put her for her neck. Una go burn her to ashes. Ní ìlú tó ní ọba, tó ní joyè, tó tún wá ní òfin ìlú. Now they will dey cry say all these politicians, they are very very wicked. They no give us opportunity. We the youth, we are prepared. Are we really prepared? Are we really prepared? Na social network. Any mistake when we say una do, before you know, I trust them. Facebook, once it gbe, they don't carry am. The one they misbehave, both abroad and back home in Nigeria. Are we prepared for that change? toxic children. I'm talking to you today because we have so many toxic children in our society. To dey toxicate your brain with igbo, with alcohol, and you wan come be our leader. Who wan put you there? Are you qualified? Now dey make our leaders dey look down on us because what dey wan ní àwọn nobody don this one. This one they never ready. No be our parents, no be devil, no be government be the cause of our problem. Na wetin we take our hand take cause. You are crying youth. How many youth? You dey pack all African youths come outside now, Nigeria youth. The good one na few. Na few good youths now we get, very few. Na the bad one be say you used to wey they don say like they want jogodo. Na the many pass. If you no wan make our politicians, our leaders, dey look down on us, we no suppose dey look down of ourselves. I love youth. I'm here to encourage all the old youth, but I'm here to speak the truth. We need to change our way, our character, our behavior. I still repeat, igbo alcohol, e no go send you to hellfire, but wetin go take you to hellfire na wetin you dey take your hand dey do, wetin your brain dey think after you don smoke igbo and alcohol. You don take all those things finish. Now wetin you dey do na e go send you to hellfire, na e go send you to jail. If you wan make our leaders make dem respect us, make dem give us opportunity to show dem wetin we can offer our nation, we need to behave ourselves. Be a good youth, be a good brother, be a good sister, be a good friend, be a good son, be a good citizen. Stop corrupting yourself with igbo and alcohol, because una dey corrupt una brain. No person wey we say e dey steal money, no be only one corrupt. And most of you youth now una go still go collect bribe for all those politician hand. Una go fight for them, una go kill for them, una go collect money. So no be only our leaders dey corrupt. I come here make I come speak the truth out. If they dey find who wan go do agbero for them, who wan do bodyguard for them, na go stand for them because una wan collect money. No, youth. When they found who wan kill for them, now they go see pay una go kill for them. No be una, na the youth. Who wan go fight? Maybe they go break bottle for court for anywhere. Who they wan call? No be una, youth. They would cry say they don't give us opportunity. They want to give us opportunity. When we say we no wan give ourselves the opportunity. Africa, we need to change our thinking mentality. Toxic behavior na very bad character. E no get where e wan take Africa to. We need to remember our national item all the time. Love, to serve our nation with love. As a youth, serve your nation with love. Stop killing for them. Stop fighting for them. Stop smoking igbo and alcohol. Even though you want to take am with level, we say your body go fit contain now. No take am make you go dey make you go dey misbehave. We have toxic children, and stop blaming devil, your father and your mother, or the Nigerian leaders for your own mistake. Learn and change your way. Toxic behavior, you not get where you want to take anybody to. Stop encouraging evil. Stop fighting for politicians. Stop collecting money from them. You want to make our nation better. This one na be the key. I don't give you the key. God bless you all in Jesus' name. We need to change our way. We listen to all the time. Jogodo, what about this one? What about only this? We say people they sing. Good music say it go give you cool brain. You sit down and reason say I want better for this life. Jogodo, you want to Bros Nicky, God go bless you. I know can't spoil your music. Thank God say you get this kind of music to see offer us. People who say they don't do the jogodo all the time. I don't know jogodo. Me, the best for Africa. I try to talk. They complain our conditions bad. That's bad. It's not music. Ọmọ mi gbọ́ tèmi tí á dára o. When we dey grow dey come one dey small, na this kind one dey pray for our house. Do una brave me go dey kill, dey destroy. Say position bad o. Na my problem. Today, I will stop for here. Na here I wan stop today. Correct blame me say the thing e dey too long o. We no fit dey watch am finish this one, that one o. I don hear una. Make I do 31 minutes or 32 minutes video today. I got a lot of things to talk about. Next week or before inside next week, I go still come back and do part 3C. We dey talk about bad government. Now, I dey face our youth. God bless you all in Jesus' name. If I make mistake, try and correct me. And before I go, remember, your past is not important. It is your future that counts. Change your way. Drop toxic behavior and stop blaming our government, devil, or your parent for everything. Everybody gets in own. We are living in a toxic world. May God bless you in Jesus' name. Bueno, adios, ciao. Love you all. Bye. See you next week.